Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here today with another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about Santo Mining Corporation with ticker symbol SANP. I'll go over their latest news, what happened, what is their current situation, if it makes sense to invest into them, and talk about their financials, their CEO, and all that good stuff. They are a penny stock traded on the OTC markets, therefore if your broker doesn't support OTCs, you won't be able to get it. But brokers who support most of the OTCs are Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, E-Trade, I believe, perhaps Interactive Brokers and others. But before I go through the news, I'd like to ask you if you could click on that red subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and it's absolutely for free, as well as the like button. I would love to see how many people like the video and like to see more of this kind of content. Now finally, let's get into the news. If you head into otcmarkets.com and look up Santo Mining Corp under their ticker symbol SANP and head into their news section, you can find out very useful information such as their latest news. And this, among other companies, they released very good news on the 1st of April. And the news are that Santo Blockchain Labs files Skully's trademark with the USPTO. USPTO stands for United States Patent and Trademark Office. Under the class of services, the company filed the following. First, International Class 009 Identification, downloadable augmented reality software for use in mobile devices for integrating electronic data with real-world environments for the purpose of non-fungible crypto tokens. Second, International Class 016 Identification art prints comprised of digital illustrations originating from photographs. Third, International Class 035 Identification compiling indexes of information using blockchain technology. And fourth and last one, International Class 042 Identification computer programming services for creating augmented reality videos and games. Therefore, that's a lot of key patents, and after they will get this approved, it will really put them in very strong position, because they are the first on the market in this niche who is, filing the patent for this and having a product or to offer this kind of service. If you don't know what Skullies are, we can go quickly through it here in this text. The company will be relaunching the digital collectible Skullies NFTs using augmented reality to enhance their uniqueness. Skullies are reward-based digital collectibles featuring uniquely designed ghost pirate skulls on the blockchain. Players can collect their favorite Skully and embark on a hunt for treasure. A location-based service (LBS) game allows players the ability to perform geoflagging tasks, claiming locations around the world to earn Skully tokens. Skully's geoflagging feature collects player data and consumer behavior, which can be applied to product marketing and other future big data products. They have a lot of room for advertising in their service, in their product, and they will get another revenues not only from advertising but as well as some microtransactions data and stuff like that. Frank Iglesias, aka Captain Jack Calicut, stated, "Ahoy me hearties, from the depths of the Caribbean Sea I've just unleashed from David Jones' locker an array of NFTs Skullies. We will be reminting these NFTs in the Cardano network and using a 3D image scanner to give you the ability to show off your Skullies in augmented reality." And augmented reality is, becoming more and more of a real thing. It's not just a virtual reality. If you remember the boom of Pokemon Go, augmented reality is something like that. You take your phone or, virtual reality, and just what you see on your screen, that's basically augmented reality, and it's going to be very much a future of, I don't know if video games, but a lot of social interactions and interactions in general. And Santo Mining is just a step ahead, and they just filing patents for their products and services so they can get the most of it from the financial side in the future. If you'd like to know more information about this, please feel free to go into their website sanp.us, and in their project sections they have here everything explained here with some more words in a file, in a proper document. And they have that Skully is ERC20 crypto token. That means that it's on Ethereum blockchain. However, they are going to be relaunching it on Cardano, because Cardano is way more cheaper, way more effective than Ethereum or Bitcoin. Hence, it's going to only make sense for the company to, relaunch launch it and make it more official and more smooth. They also have a website for this project, skullies.io. However, it's not really working yet, it's just reserved, and they have just one picture here with some text, and it's just, you know, slowly but surely coming to official launch. Of course, you can find them on Twitter. However, they've moved solely to Reddit, to their own subreddit. So if we head there, we can see a lot of good information, such as quarterly financials. It's a thing which many of us investors are concerned about, because if we check out their secret information on otcmarkets.com, we can see they have a stop sign and that they are dark or defunct. That's because they haven't delivered their latest financial results. Therefore, otcmarkets.com warns us that it's not everything alright with this penny stock, with this company. However, they are still transfer agent verified and verified profile. Therefore, it's not that big of a deal. Worst thing would be if they wouldn't be verified. That's a worst case. This is quite common with penny stocks, that they don't have perfect financials. However, if you Google some information, you can find here on the Reddit that it's 12 days old information, and some person asked here about their quarterly financials, and person who responds here on the behalf of Sanp is their own CEO, and he's very quick here with responding. So if you have any questions, don't reach out to them on Twitter, reach out to them here in the subreddit. And he said that when the accounting firm and our securities attorney tells me it's good to go, then I will post them. They have a tad more experience in this area. I want it done right, I don't want it right now. Therefore, we will still have to wait for some time until they release their financials. However, they're working on it, so that's a good sign that they are not a dead company and they don't ignore this kind of issue. As well as they are now in a waiting list on one of the biggest, if not the biggest, crypto listing sites. So if we click on it, we can see that CoinMarketCap advertising waitlist confirmation. So that's really good to see that they responded to Sanp that they want to, you know, get their advertisement right there, because one of the biggest sites related to crypto. And this email basically confirms a reservation that they've been placed on their advertising waitlist. They'll be sure to reach out to them with pricing and availability information when we have any marketing options to offer. So we can see right now crypto advertising is very much full, so they are just waiting until it's going to be a little bit more available, and then they'll flood in with advertisement, and Sanp is most likely going to explode. So now if we check out Sanp's security details again, we can see they have market cap of just $57 million, which is very small, and they have a lot of outstanding unrestricted shares, 9.6 billion roughly, but they don't have much of a restricted one. They have just 150 million, so they're keeping just a small portion for some private investors. They're most likely just giving it away to the public so they can be part of it. And last but not least, if we check out Sanp on StockTwits, we can see they have over 11,500 watchers. Therefore, it has some momentum, it has some base of the retailers, of people who are watching this stock, who are interested in it, and will most likely share more information about it, or just share with their friends, hey, look, this is interesting penny stock, you should get a look into it, you know, this guy made a video, this guy put some due diligence, etc. Therefore, it's not that much as with HCMC. They have about 80,000 or over 80,000. There could be definitely way more people in this penny stock, but it's very cheap price at the moment and very small market cap. It was my current take on Santo Mining Corp with some latest news I could find, and, you know, some more due diligence I could provide to you guys. In my opinion, it has very bright future ahead of it. However, until they will provide their financials, I think that's holding back a lot of investors, because plenty of investors, I think, lost some money for their trading or investing time here on the stock market, on the OTC markets. So they are probably careful when choosing investing into companies, and they want to have the best fundamentals possible. Of course, there is a high risk, high reward possibility with this one. So if you aren't afraid and you've done enough of your due diligence and you have believed in this company, feel free to, you know, put some dollars in this, you know. But I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't take anything from me as a financial advice. I'm just information provider and entertainer basically. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, definitely subscribe to the channel so don't miss out on any new upcoming videos, as well as smashing the like button really helps me out to defeat the evil algorithm. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts and opinions about this company. Are you in it? Did you cash out? Are you going to re-enter back at a lower price? I'm all ears. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.